school is this? Where is that? Browns Hall in St. Catherine. Right. I wonder who was your principal again? Remind me.
It was Mr. Martin.
Of course I know Barry Martin. Yes! And who is this guy here now? Hello.
My brother.
Hey guy. And what's your name?
Ahmad Williams.
Okay, so what brings you to the office of the Prime Minister today?
I came, I was watching Minimatic and I said that we could write a letter to the Prime Minister suggesting how we could make Jamaica a better place.
Yes. And so you have that letter with you today?
Yes, sir.
So your mommy? And your oh God, they're so cute. All right. So you want to read it to me? Come sit down.
Dear Mr. Williams, I was just writing this letter to you suggesting that if people want to drink rum, they should at least have an ID to recognize their age. I am also asking you for a scholarship. I did this that and I am going into a high school September morning.
Yes.
Also, I am asking for a tablet. If this advice will help me further my education and help me with my homework and research also, please can you assist me?
Very good. So you're saying that if people are drinking, they should have an ID.
Yes,
So I suspect you're saying that people should not be allowed to purchase alcoholic beverages unless they can show that they're above the legal age. Good. That's a suggestion that we should think of. And indeed, we have heard many persons advocate for that position. We don't have such a position in law, but I see where the marketers and producers of alcoholic beverages have engaged a public education campaign to say drink responsibly, and people who are drinking must be over 18. But I like your thought on the matter, and we will think about it. I hear you say you want a computer, or which is it? You want a tablet or a computer? You want a tablet. I wonder if we could do that. I wonder if we could give you a tablet. All right, I will do that. I think I will get a tablet for you. All right. No, we'll. So he wants a tablet too. I could tell. I did not hear what he whispered. So it's 2 tablets. I know I have 2 sons, so I know the fascination with computers and tablets and telephones and all the new gadgets these days.
It's me and his mommy. Like when I do like days works and so on, and his mommy do a little days work too. That's how we keep him in school, the both of them.
Well, look, I want to encourage him. We know the situation with many families like yourself where some fathers are just delinquent. They just don't care, but others try, but just can't meet the mark. They don't have a job and they have no prospects. It is really a sad situation. What we must do, and what you have been doing, is to draw a line in the sand and say these 2 boys will not come out to be like their fathers. That they will do better than what their fathers did. That they will be able to be in a position to take care of their children, to contribute to the society. And you have to instill in them that, right, that they must, even though their father is absent and didn't look after them, but you want to also instill in them a sense of responsibility. That they too, when they grow, will take responsibility for their parents. So I will help you. And because one of the other things he asked for in the letter, he said he just completed his GSAT and he wants a scholarship for September morning to go to school.
Yes.
We will assist. Okay. Good job. Grandma, good job. My pleasure as well. My pleasure. Amadi? Very good.
what's your name? What? Joel.